video, it's not random, it's statistics at work. Or when a doctor makes decisions based on lab results, it's also statistics. In this video, I'll show you exactly what statistics is, how it works, and why it's the foundation of everything in data science. Hi, I'm Yasir, and welcome to the Math for Data Science. On this channel, I break down complex math concepts in a simple way using real tools like Excel, RStudio, so you don't just learn the theory, but actually apply it like a real data analyst. This is the first video of complete series. So if you're just getting started or want to build a strong foundation, you're in the right place. In this lesson, you will learn what statistics really means, the two types of statistics that form the base of everything you do in data analysis. A real example using Excel. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basic foundation. Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting the data in order to make decisions. It helps us make sense of numbers. Imagine you collect the results of a survey with 1,000 responses. How do you summarize that? How do you understand what it means? You use statistics to simplify the data and extract meaning from it. So remember, statistics is equal to collect plus organize plus analyze plus interpreting the data. The goal is always decision making. Okay, so after we analyze, collect, organize, analyze, and interpret the data, then we become the decision making based on our whole analysis. Types of statistics. There are two major branches of statistics you need to know. Descriptive statistics, this helps you summarize data, for example, calculating an average or making a bar chart. Inferential statistics, this lets you draw a conclusion from a small sample to a larger population. Example, if you calculate the average income of 100 people in a city and then use that to estimate the income of all residents, that's inferential. Let's organize that in the table. The descriptive purpose summarize data. Example, mean median chart. Inferential, predict or generalize. Example, estimates population mean. Understanding this difference is essential before diving into real analysis. Now, let's survey the number of hours these students study in it. So we have 10 students and how many hours they studied. So we're gonna look for important concepts that you are probably familiar with, which is the average. The average is very simple. Everyone can know the average. It's the number. It's the average of studies of these students. So in order for us to calculate the average, we call for the average formula. That's it, and we're gonna select all these numbers. Then that's it. So the average hours of these students studied is 3.3 hours. Okay, so this is just the beginning. We're gonna cover all of the concepts of descriptive statistics, and that's it. So we're gonna another thing we can do is call for a graphics. We're gonna select that, then control button, then this. We're gonna look for inserts, then the column, we're gonna look for columns. And that's it. So we have this theory. The first, the A students studied for 2 hours. For example, the E students studied for 5 hours. The same for G students. The J students studied for 4 hours, etc. It has two major branches: descriptive to summarize and inferential to predict. We used Excel to calculate a real mean for simple data. Now it's your turn. What kind of data would you love to analyze using statistics? Drop your answer in the comments. So in this video, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore one of the most important ideas in statistics, type of variables, qualitative, quantitative data, and more, all with real examples in Excel and R. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.